Crystal clear waters, vibrant markets, wild safaris. Mozambique has it all. If you're an Indian traveler ready to go, there's one step to sort first: your Mozambique e-visa. And the good news is that you can apply online. We'll show you the requirements, the step-by-step process, how long it takes, and what happens after approval so that you can plan the fun bits. Before you start your Mozambique e-visa, take a moment to prep these documents. First, a recent passport size photo with a white background. Next, your passport. It must be valid for at least 6 months from your entry date. Then, your latest 6-month bank statement. And finally, have your hotel bookings confirmed and fully paid. Once these are ready, you can upload everything and finish your application in one go. Go to the official Mozambique e-visa website and create an account using your username, password, email ID, account type, complete CAPTCHA, and then tap Create or Register. Verify email, check your inbox for the activation link from the e-visa system and confirm your account and sign in. Log in with your email and password and you're ready to start a new visa application. Now choose your basics. Select your nationality, passport type, and passport type name exactly as shown in your passport. Next, pick your visa options. Choose your visa type, then select number of entries and duration of your stay. Upload your documents. Add a passport size photo, your passport bio page, last 6 months bank statements, confirmed hotel bookings, and return ticket. Make sure files are clear and in JPG, PDF, or PNG formats. Next, review and submit. Double check spellings, dates, and uploads. Then submit and save your reference number. You will receive the updates at your registered email address. Your Mozambique e-visa is valid for 60 days from the date of issue and it allows a stay of up to 30 days. Make sure you enter before the 60-day expiry and leave within 30 days of arrival. Always follow the dates printed on your approval notice. Open the Atlys app or website and search Mozambique. Tap Start Application, upload a selfie and passport front and last page. Add trip details and required documents including your bank statements, hotel bookings, and you can also buy a travel insurance using Atlys. Review and pay. You can track your e-visa status anytime in the Atlys app now. Use the same passport you applied with and keep printouts. If you recently visited a yellow fever country, keep the vaccination card handy. Have your hotel contact and local phone access ready in case officers need confirmation. And that's the Mozambique e-visa for Indians. Online, straightforward, and fast. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop your Mozambique plans in the comment section below. Safe travels.